Hello beauties and welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I did this makeup tutorial, keep on watching. Okay, so I have applied my primer and then I went ahead and used this yellow corrector from LA Girl, and I really like this one because it covers those areas that are kind of purple and whatnot. Now, I am really liking this foundation from Makeup Forever. It's not a new foundation or anything, but I recently discovered it. And I like it because my skin is very, very dry. And for me, it's just hard to find a foundation that, that will not dry my skin even more than it is. So this one does the job for me. I used to use the Estee Lauder for a very, very long time, and I still do use it, but not as much because I feel that the Estee Lauder, it feels heavier to the skin. So if you have dry skin like I do recommend that you give this foundation a try. For the concealer, I will be using the same one I always have, the Shapetape concealer in the color light medium. Now, before we seal everything in, I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX eyeshadow base. Use a flat brush. Usually I do it with my finger, but my nails are on the way. Okay, now I did my brows, they're in. The last step is to set everything, and for that I will be using my peach blur powder. It looks like this, and usually I use the Anastasia or the TooFaced, but I'm gonna use this one today. Also, I will be using the Party Animal by Laura Lee. It looks like that. It is a beautiful bright palette.
I will also be using this palette from Colopop Cosmetics, and this is a soft type of pink color that I will be using as my transitional color, and I am applying it with a fluffy brush. The next shadow that I will be using is more intense than the previous one, and I will be applying it right below the transitional color, and I am bringing it in all the way to the inner corner of the eye. One of the steps that I like to do is to blend everything out as I go, so the look will be a lot smoother. And also I will be applying this color right below that vibrant pink that we just applied, and again just blend everything out. Now I will be doing a cut crease, and for that I will be using some of these base from NYX Cosmetics.
And then I'm going to follow up with this pink color, and I will be applying it on the outer corner of the eye like so. And I went ahead and applied a vibrant pink in the middle of the lid. However, I wanted to incorporate this beautiful shade or a liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and it is truly vibrant. So I went ahead and just applied it in the middle of the lid, and then I'm trying to blend it out with the outer corner of the eye. To tie the look together on the bottom lash, I'm just applying some of that pink color, and very close to the bottom lash line I'm applying a purple color. And to top it off, I will be applying falsies and some rhinestones. This is what we have so far. And to cover up the lash band, I am applying some of that liquid liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply cream type of contour. And yeah, I'm gonna follow with my blush and highlight. And for my lip, I decided to use this beautiful pink color, and yeah, that is it. My friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.